Hello students, welcome to your values class. So we have your textbook ready with you. Today we'll do lesson number 7, non-violence, the right way of life. Okay, so today we'll be just reading the chapter and I want everyone to read it once. Okay. So what is non-violence? Violence means hitting someone, hinsa. Okay, and non-violence means ahimsa. So in this chapter is propagating non-violence as the right way of life. There is one quote written by Mahatma Gandhi: an eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. What does it mean? कि किसी ने हमको मारा, सपोज, तो हमने भी उसको मारा, तो this will continue. Okay, eye for eye, that means someone has taken your eye, someone has made you blind, then you will also make him blind. In that way the whole world will become blind. Okay, so this is how this chapter is. It is about peace. Know about peace. I will be reading it today only, no explanation. I want all of you to read it together. Know about peace. Non-violence is a peaceful approach of solving problems. Aggression, fighting and war are violent methods of expressing our disapproval. Underline these words. Okay, and keep these in mind. You might have doubts regarding their meanings. I'll start again. Know about peace. Non-violence is a peaceful approach of solving problems. Aggression, fighting and war are violent methods of expressing our disapproval. They lead to destruction, loss of life and damage to property, and cause harm to the ones involved as well as those who are innocent. King Ashoka was an Indian emperor. After the Kalinga War, King Ashoka was horrified by the death and destruction caused by him. The war brought about a complete change in the mind of Ashoka. He started advocating non-violence and peace. Mahatma Gandhi proved that wars can be won even with non-violence. He challenged the British government through satyagraha and ahimsa. This made him a role model for the entire world. Martin Luther King Jr. fought against racial discrimination in the United States of America through peaceful means. He was greatly influenced by Gandhiji. Nelson Mandela fought against racism in South Africa and advocated equal rights for all. So this is Martin Luther King Jr. and this is Nelson Mandela. You can just write their names. Okay. Just a minute. Sorry, there was an issue. Yes. So this is Martin Luther King Jr. and this is Nelson Mandela. You can underline these people. How can we develop the qualities of non-violence? कैसे हम develop करें? If another person exhibits an act of violence, seek remedy through legal methods instead of violence. Learn to disagree in a polite manner. Do not express your anger through physical means. Ensure that you do not hurt or harm people through your words or action. Do not be violent towards animals and plants. They are also living beings. Okay. So this finishes the reading of the chapter. So you have learnt about, besides Mahatma Gandhi, you have learnt about two more personalities, Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela, who were propagators of non-violence. I'll explain the chapter in the next class, and we'll learn more about non-violence also. Thank you, and read the chapter. Everyone has to read this chapter without fail. Okay? Thank you.